Hi everyone, welcome back to Guidezen, and today I will show you one of the best navigation bar customization settings. Here you can see at the bottom of my mobile I have already successfully added internet on the navigation bar, but now I want to add volume button on the volume button at the bottom of my mobile where navigation bar is available. You need to go to Google Play Store and download this application, which name is Goodlock. Then you need to also install Navstar in your Goodlock application. Okay, where conveniently organize the navigation bar and gesture mode. You just need to install Navstar. After installing Navstar, you need to find out volume button, volume navigation bar where volume button is available. For example, here I want to just choose this one. Okay, it's the last one where volume is available. After clicking there, I have successfully added volume button on my navigation bar. Here you can see I can volume up, I can volume down. Okay, I can increase and I can decrease volume from my navigation bar. It's very simple, and I hope so this short video is helpful. This video is helpful for you, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one, guys. Goodbye, best of luck.